It's a story the 7 Action News investigators first broke. Now we've learned Supreme Court Justice Diane Hathaway is facing federal charges accused of bank fraud. Joining me now is 7 Action News legal analyst Tom Cranmer. The significance of the charge, bank fraud, coming down like this.
Well, Dave, it's the other shoe I think that everybody was anticipating or perhaps thought was going to happen after we saw the forfeiture action taken by the government in late fall. And I think what's most significant about the charges that just came out on Friday is that they're in the form of something called an information. And what that means from a federal prosecution standpoint is that the defendant, in essence, has agreed that the case will go forward in this fashion, which really kind of telegraphs or signals that there's probably a plea that's going to be entered by Justice Hathaway in the near future.
There was the potential of other charges in this case, but it's just one.
It is.
Behind the scenes, is that subject to negotiation perhaps with the prosecution and the defendant's lawyer?
That's true, and that's probably again why we see this in the form that we do. It's a single count information, which is often the way that cases are resolved once there's been an agreement between the federal prosecutor and the defense lawyer and the defendant for the entry of a guilty plea.
Suggested parameters 27 to 33 months. This will be another judge that will be judging Justice Hathaway. Is there a chance that we could see something less than that? Certainly, would they ask for something less than that?
Well, certainly, I'm sure that they will ask for something less. And you have kind of a balance, I think, to weigh here. On the one hand, certainly you have an otherwise exemplary career by Justice Hathaway, a career of public service that will certainly weigh in her favor. On the flip side, though, you have what is certainly a pretty serious misplacement of trust, and this is a very serious charge, bank fraud. And so, in some respects, perhaps the court will want to send a message that this kind of activity won't be tolerated by anyone.
Tom, thank you very much as always.
All right, Dave, thank you.
Tom Cranmer, Channel 7's legal analyst, joining us.